Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to learn a new letter. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is capital letter H. And this is small letter H. H makes the sound
H, H.
Can you say it with me?
H, H.
Great job! Look, our elephant friend is back. The elephant is here to help us learn today. H is for hen, a cute fluffy hen. H, hen. Let's say it together. Capital H, small h. Can you pretend to be a hen? Flap your wings. Flap, flap, cluck, cluck. Walk around, cluck, cluck. Now trace the letter with your finger in the air. For capital H, down, jump up, down again, and across. That makes capital H. And for small h, down, up is and over. That makes small h. Wonderful! You're doing great! Great job, little learners! Today we learned capital H and small h. Capital H, small h, and H is for hen. Capital H. Small h. And H is for hen. Cluck, cluck. You did amazing! Keep practicing your letter H every day. See you soon, little explorers. Bye-bye.